how to set up Xfinity Hotspot in your iPhone. So go ahead to your settings, like toggle the cellular data on. So once you toggle that on, you'll be able to see your personal hotspot section. So go ahead, make sure you've got the Xfinity SIM. So you can see you'll have to turn this allow others to join option on, and then you can see you can also like maximize compatibility, and then here you can see like you can connect using Wi-Fi, you can connect using Bluetooth, you can connect using USB. For Wi-Fi connection, you can simply go ahead the Wi-Fi from here, go to this Wi-Fi section, and then once you're in Wi-Fi, you'll simply see the this phone's name pop in your Wi-Fi list. Simply go ahead, connect using this Wi-Fi password, or also you can scan the code. So what you can do is you can connect using Bluetooth as well, pair the iPhone with your computer. On iPhone, tap pair or insert the code displayed on your computer, connect to the iPhone from the computer. So that's how you do it. And the last method is like simply connecting directly by using the USB cable. So that's for the video. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.